Introducing the CHiQ 515-litre efficient inverter frost-free top-mount refrigerator, your complete solution for storing food and drinks with style, space and smart performance. It's energy efficient too, with a top-tier 5-star energy rating. Finished in elegant, stylish stainless steel, it features a reversible door design, so you can easily change the door opening direction to suit your kitchen layout. The electronic temperature control with LED display on the door lets you easily select the temperature or mode that suits your needs. And if you forget to close the door, a built-in alarm gives you a helpful reminder. Inside, the dark plastics elevate the interior with a premium high-end finish. The 129-litre freezer space is completely frost-free, no more manual defrosting. We've also got CHiQ's multi-airflow system to ensure even cooling across all shelves, keeping everything fresh and consistent. Now, unlike most top-mount fridges, this model includes LED lighting in both the fridge and freezer compartments, making everything inside clear and easy to see. The easy-to-get ice box features a space-saving design with 2 ice trays, making ice retrieval quick and effortless. In the 386-litre refrigeration space, the inverter system maintains efficient and quiet operation. We've got a dedicated fresh room compartment, which is perfect for short-term storage of meat, fish, or ingredients ready for cooking, keeping them fresh and flavourful. Now, the movable drawer design lets you adjust the layout to suit your needs, offering dedicated space for items that require separate storage. And there's even a handy butter box zone for easy access. You'll see here the metal wine rack comfortably holds 2 bottles of your favourites, and the bottom door shelf is ideal for milk and 2-litre beverage bottles. And finally, the double crispers with humidity control keeps fruit and vegetables fresher for longer. Perfect for modern homes, the CHiQ 515-litre frost-free top-mount refrigerator CTM512NSS5E combines spacious design with innovative features to keep your food fresh longer. Improve your life with CHiQ.